Nongpok Sekmai Mairapai staged protests in front of Nongpok Sekmai police station yesterday against relocation of border security force BSF attached to Nongpok Sekmai police station in Hairog Assembly constituency of Thoupal district. The Mairapaibis who took part in the protest voiced concerns about shifting of BSF, emphasizing the positive relationship with the villagers. They raised apprehension about potential consequences of replacing BSF with another security force, claiming that the situation would become unpredictable. The protesters demanded not to remove or replace them and further called for removal of empty vehicles intended to transport the BSF personnel during the protests. They warned that if the government disregards the sentiment of public, it would bear responsibility for any untoward incidents resulting from the agitation. The demonstrators chanted slogans advocating for retention of the BSF and opposing their replacement by any other security forces.